it's like 8-ish. I've been taking the dogs out for like 20 minutes. I'm really just procrastinating the workout that I should be doing right now. I haven't been on my A game as far as like morning routines go, but it's fine. We're fine. Also, Rosie's enjoying it. Juicy. I'm not complaining because I know so many other states have it so much worse than I do. But it's still very cold in the morning, but it's perfect in the sun. I'm just stretching out here outside for a bit. Also, one of my favorite nail salons finally opened back up safely, of course, and I went and got a pedicure for the first time in very long time. And excuse the feet content, but I've never felt prettier. Also, Sudie's for life. So Bad Habit Beauty just sent a very luscious, very beautiful PR basket, which just warms my heart. It is the most like heartfelt, wholesome, beautiful, smells so good. I think it's like smelling up the entire house, honestly, because there's croissants in it with some fresh fruit, jam, cheese, and I'm living for it. This is so stunning. The flowers, the packaging, the croissants. I'm sorry, should I have that as a snack right now? Normally, I feel like Alicia and I are very like, we're not gonna do this, but these smell incredible.
No, we know when something's gonna be good, so we only like splurge on things that looked worth it.
I want to like sit down and enjoy it. Have a bite.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
I ate that so awkwardly. I was like, not attractive.
Wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look at this. It's literally flaking off. There's just a difference between store-bought pastries and like bakery. You know what I mean? That's bakery. So it's like 5 minutes later and Alicia tried one of the strawberries and her exact words were, might be the best strawberry I've had all year, right?
And actually they suck, you won't like them. Why do you do the fucking eye roll?
I don't know. Why are they so good? They have to be like from some organic farm somewhere. That's 1000%. These remind me of like Aunt Marian's.
We have mine too, don't worry.
Yeah. We got a whole second basket for Alicia. Like this one was mine and then Alicia got one. This might be my lunch. I mean. Okay, I'm done. These flowers are so pretty. I'm going to put them in a vase. Update. I have eaten an entire croissant. I wasn't going to, and then that's just where we're at right now. But I finally started like taking the flowers out and unpacking the basket, and there was actually Chamberlain coffee in here also. I have been wanting to try the like tea steeping coffee, and I haven't yet, so I'll probably do that later today. Also came with a mason jar mug, which is adorable, so I'll probably do that a little bit later. Okay, guys. Wow, what a day. The door just rang. I told the guy to leave it there. He said he couldn't. I was kind of annoyed. I was kind of frustrated. So I was trying to get some work done, and then I was like, fine, I'll go out there. I'm so glad I did because I bought myself a little something. Oh, God. You guys already know how big of a fan I am of Majuri. It's my absolute favorite jewelry company on the planet. I love it. I have too much of it. I spend way too much of my money on it. I am at a place in my life where the jewelry is getting out of control and it needs to be contained. I have wanted this jewelry box for like almost a year and a half now. They're always selling out. They never have it in stock. I wanted it for Christmas. It was sold out before Black Friday. Like, I didn't even have a chance. Look at how stunningly beautiful this is. It is so simple. It has AM on the front, like, for me, like this is mine. It is a soft brown leather, very tan, has a simple little snap on the front. And look at how beautiful she is. It's so pretty and it's really big and it has a lot of compartments and storage, so you can actually fit a lot in here. I'm obsessed. I just decided I'm going to go like organize all my jewelry today. That's 1000% what I'm gonna do. Alicia, look at this. A jewelry box.
You didn't give me one. It's so pretty, it's so cute.
Isn't it perfect? It's so stunning. I love it so much. Majuri, work with me. I'm so excited for this. Guys, this steeped coffee is actually amazing. I'm busy. I'm trying to vlog.
I need to see this TikTok.
She doesn't understand. All I wanted to do was let you guys know that I'm a big fan of the steeped coffee. I didn't think I would like it. I think I judged it slightly and I was wrong. And I just needed to let you guys know this is incredibly good. That's all. What?
It's okay. You know, if it wasn't for you, I kind of wouldn't be as strong as I am right now.
Oh my God. I was holding Princess Blue. Now I'm all sad and emotional. Well, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Waiting for you. So you guys know my friend Lexi. Her birthday is tomorrow. And Lexi is one of those people that, like, the second COVID started, she very quickly became part of our germ circle. We're having her over tonight because her birthday is tomorrow. Since we can't do like everything we would love to do, we're gonna go out to dinner and celebrate her. But I didn't tell her I went and got a birthday cake, because you can't celebrate a birthday without a birthday cake. Luckily, I live like just down the street from a Susie Cakes, which is one of the most convenient bakery shops on the planet, and I got one of their little celebration cakes. It's just a confetti cake. It's super cute, very simple, and I know Lex will adore it. So I think I'm gonna like decorate the dining room table, just a little corner of the house, make it feel special like a birthday. Diet really is just out the window today, especially because I know we're going out to dinner and I'm not gonna eat healthy, so it's okay. It's a flow, it's a process. This is my fun little birthday box. We've had this for a few years now. Every birthday we kind of take the leftover decorations, add it to the pile. It's always just a bunch of girls in our house, so it is kind of girly, but it's also amazing and a great idea because every time there's a birthday, I just grab the box and grab a bunch of stuff and the decorations look great. So I highly recommend, if you don't have a go-to birthday box full of wrapping paper, decor, stuff like that, you really should because it's totally worth it and it saves you a lot of time. And saves money because you already bought this stuff, you know? Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. We have the happy birthday that should be hung, but I didn't feel like hanging it, so it's just around the table. The cake, my present, more presents are coming from Alicia and Taryn and like cards and stuff. But it is so cute and I'm super excited for it. I'm happy for her. Hopefully she loves it. Quick little haul. Alicia and I ended up stopping at Urban Outfitters while we were out. I got this super cute little snakeskin bag and it has this silver chain on the front. It is precious. It's perfect for like going out to dinner. Not like I'm going out anytime soon, but like restaurants are open again, so I could definitely use that for that. And I think it's so cute and very 90s and I'm into it. Bunch of undies from Urban Outfitters, my favorite place to get undies. And then for a while, Alicia knew she wanted to get Lexi like a coffee table book or something like that, like a fashion one for her birthday. We went to Barnes & Noble to get that for her and I found the coolest books. And I don't know if I'm gonna leave them in the living room or if I'm gonna leave them in my room, but I'm here for them and I love them so much. These two books were at Barnes & Noble and I am living for it. These have a bunch of just like photography shots in it. This one is a mix of like music, random like street city vibes to it, and it has like stories written with like some of the photography as well. This one, however, you open it up and it's basically just a ton of like artwork for music, a bunch of like magazine clippings and posters, just a bunch of artwork for like just music over the ages, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. I don't have time right now to kind of like play around and see where I want to keep them, but I think I definitely want them in my room. I just need to figure out my shelving situation because it's kind of cluttered right now, so I'm gonna have to clean that up, but I don't have time right now. You guys, I'm very excited right now. I am about to set up my jewelry box just like I promised you guys. I am so excited. What I had before is a jewelry stand. Nothing against it. Actually, one thing. Something like this is amazing if it's holding pieces that you wear constantly. But however, if you don't wear a piece constantly, then the metal will start to tarnish. This one specifically has tarnished really bad and I'm gonna have to clean it. Not all of them are like this. Some of these are really cheap, some of these are more expensive, but a lot of them have started to tarnish, so I think it would be better to hold it in a box where the air doesn't get to it as easily. So that is what this is for. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over now. It's dumb how excited I am about stuff like this. Like it really is, but here we go. Okay, it ended up taking a lot longer than I thought I was going to. I forgot how many little jewelry bowls and boxes and containers I have in my room. I had a lot, and I went through all of them and kind of picked out my more meaningful ones, my more expensive ones, my ones that are very dear to my heart, and the ones that I like just love the most. I think all of them are from friends or family or just ones that I splurged on myself with. So I have all my favorite ones in the jewelry box. All the cheaper ones are kind of just like laid around my room. But here's a little jewelry box tour. I'm very excited to show you guys. She is gorgeous. I'm sorry, but the coloring, especially with the gold and these pearls I put on top, just because look at it, it's glorious. I have basically all my rings here. Also, like I said, some of these did get tarnished because I just had them laying out, so I'm gonna have to have a whole like jewelry cleaning day. This is actually one of my favorite ones. It's from Taryn. I've had it for years and I need to clean it. It is so dirty. All of these rings are actually from someone dear to me, or I bought myself while traveling. Like for example, this is from Estonia, this is from Greece, this is from my second trip to Greece, and this I bought for myself. So hopefully that gives you like an example of like what I have in this box. I have a necklace, some of my favorite rings, some of my favorite earrings, one of my only like little dainty bracelets. You pick this up, there's a whole section for earrings, and I have some bangles here. This is a bangle my mom got me that's really precious to me. I'm never getting rid of that. And then all of my favorite necklaces down here. And yeah, that took way too long, but very happy with the outcome. I'm not entirely sure where I'm gonna put it. I love the idea of it being there on my dresser and just kind of possibly open or closed, or maybe I can put a candle on top. I don't really know. The only thing is my dresser's starting to get a little cluttered. This is obviously just a little bit of a mess because of all of the rearranging of the jewelry, but I'm picturing the box on this side. One of my favorite candles and perfumes could go right here. And then this is also a jewelry holder. This little bowl is from Lexi. She got it for me for my birthday. I love this because the jewelry that I wear regularly, like every single day, I just kind of dump in here and then I put it back on the next day. So I like it being out. But the question is this too cluttered? I know most of you guys are probably gonna say it's not. However, I love how this looks when there's not a lot of things here. Normally this isn't here either. That's just a candle that I had lit the other night. So it would look more like this. I could also put my candle here and perfume here, so it's a little more condensed and less spread out. I kind of like that. I think I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. Okay guys, I know I said I was gonna keep this closed. Isn't this just a vibe? It feels very feminine in this corner and I'm kind of liking it a lot. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it this way, but I'm very happy with how it looks. I also kind of like, you're gonna laugh, but I kind of like when the necklace kind of hangs over. I do that all the time. Anyways, let me know if you like that. I like that. I think I'm gonna keep it like that. And yeah, see how it grows on me.
All right.